Meaning of glutes.
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 Glutes. Glutes is a colloquial term for the gluteal muscles, which are a group of 3 muscles that make up the buttocks. These muscles are the gluteus maximus, gluteus medius, and gluteus minimus. The gluteus maximus muscle is the largest and strongest muscle in the body, and it is responsible for hip extension, thigh adduction, and lateral rotation of the hip joint. The gluteus medius and minimus muscles are smaller muscles that work together to abduct and rotate the hip joint. Strong and well-developed glutes are important for overall lower body strength and athletic performance.